Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning. I am going to do what I did on my last video. Same colors, same everything, because now remember, that was my first successful, to me, large canvas that I did on my last video. And if you don't remember what it looks like or haven't seen it, it looks something along the lines of this, but this happened right here. My cat, who is also getting in a bag, decided to jump on my painting. She's okay. She's not hurt. We looked into the toxicity of it. She's eating, she's drinking, she's feisty. She's annoying. Excuse me. But I was more concerned about her than the painting. But yeah, it was my first good large canvas, but it can be done again. And actually, I have an idea. I think I poured over a star, but this time I'm going to tip or put the cup on this end so that it's not too much like this way. It'll have a lot of open space. This time I'm just going to do it this way. Move these. I just poured over this canvas and I didn't care for it, but I'm gonna put it right here and put this on top and use a tile this time. Sure, got some stuff off of that. Got it somewhat centered, I think. And I'm just going to pour. But yeah, I've let these paints sit in here for a little while, so I got sidetracked, which is pretty typical of me. Side note too, I'm rotating how I am turning the cup because, like in my last video, if I turn it this way, see how it's darker here, and then I turn it this way, I get all the brighter colors. So I think that's pretty neat. And I do know because just before I started recording this video, I actually did pretty much the same thing. Oh no, I already see a bunch of black. That's alright. But anyway, sorry. I definitely needed to use more paint. And I didn't want to get all of that, like, see right here, these black lines? Maybe what we can do is rotate the tile. Ew, that sound. Sorry. Whew. Gosh. Alright. Let's see what that does. Probably just make the black again, but in a different area. Hopefully not. Maybe so. Ooh, yeah. Kind of liking that. Alright. Sweet. Hopefully this will turn out well. I'm really trying not to make this a long video. I know that several of my videos have been pretty long. And thank you all for all your support and watching them and subscribing. And, I mean, blast my name out there in a positive way, you know? We're all learning together. I am going to take this and kind of scrape some. Not too hard, because I don't want to make too much mud. But I definitely want to make sure that I have enough paint. I think I'm going to stop right there. And I think I do have enough paint. Alright. I'm going to pause this and let it kind of drip again because I see some spots that are just like this rings. So I'm going to pause this and we'll be right back. Alright, we're back. I turned off the overhead light, so the colors may not be as true as they are, but we're gonna do what we can. All right, let's see. All right, let that come together. Yeah, that came together pretty good. This canvas might be stuck to, oh, was a little bit. That's okay. Grab my torch. Oy. Yeah, see? This right here. What can I do? Can I take this? Nope. Well, we're just gonna tilt. See what we can come up with. But I don't like that right here. Alright, well. Hold on again. You know what? Never mind. We're just gonna go for it. Alright. If I got a big, like, that little stretchy, this, right here, then, oh well, so sad, right? Right. Which one do I want to go for first? Let's go over here. Do I want to hold it? No. Alright. I'm shaking the camera. Oh yeah, I always forget to center it. And I've stretched it. Alright. Let's bring it back this way. I'm gonna go for it right here. I really like that pattern. I really got to get this down. All right. I want to get that off of there. I cannot stand it. Kind of forgot about another corner over here. All right, everybody, counting on you for some tips. Yes, center my paint, I know. I thought I used a lot of paint. Actually, I know I did. Alright, I know I'm off center, but I'm working something over here. Alright, you know what? That's pretty cool, but stay tuned. Hold on. Alright, we're back. And we are going to put this right there. Wow. That's going to make a smear again, but you guys are here with me, so we will smear this together. I just mixed up some more paint. And bear with me. Just hope this doesn't fall off. Really muddy, but wow, I am just all up in the way. Okay. I'll be right back and let that go for a minute. Actually, you know what? Nah. We'll do this together. I like that. It's nice. Just trying to break up that stretch. Not quite sure. I know it's because it's missing this for the drip. So what if I turn it while it's dripping? Yuck, that sound again. I don't know. But I guess we're gonna find out, yeah? Alright. I don't really need too much off anymore. Just enough to break up those lines. And it did. See right there. Boom. Alright. Okay. I think I'm ready to take this off. Alright. Yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Alright. That's okay. It's gonna get there. So cool. I wonder if I do my little tappy thing. Nope. That's alright. Alright, ladies and gents. We're gonna do this. One way or another. Maybe. Alright, come on, you don't need it all that way. That's pretty cool. By golly, I think we did it. Now if I could just get this just a little bit, not too much. Look at that. Like this corner right over here. But I don't want to stretch all of it. So I'm just gonna, I'm trying. Alright. Bring it back this way. Because I don't really need to do that anymore, huh? Sweet. I had a vision. And it's pretty cool. This over here is kind of bothering me, but you know what? I think we got something. I don't want to stretch it out too much because now over there is getting stretched. Alright. Pause you one more time. Alright. I took that lighting off. That top light that I had. Awesome. Awesome. Cool. Alright. Let's take it down and bring it in. Whoa. Sorry. Look at that. Now that is pretty cool. I will say that I think I have another successful large canvas. I'll go turn on the other light. Alright, now there's going to be another glare, or a bigger glare than there was, so let's see. Yeah. Alright, you guys. That was pretty cool. Yeah, adding the paint right here to get that, this stretch into pattern. That was pretty neat. That was learnt. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you and take care.